Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager, and we are back with another video. In this video we're going to talk about how we can export our registration list for an event or the attendee list for an event. This can be done in two ways. One is from the WordPress backend, or we can do that as well from the front end. So first let us register for an event so we can actually demonstrate the feature. So we have our WP Event Manager's registration add-on installed, and we have added an event for this demonstration. So let's go ahead and register for this event. We have our email and full name already populated since we are logged in. So let's use those credentials to send a registration. So here it says your event registration has been submitted successfully. So let's go ahead and add like one more registration for this demo. So let me go ahead and copy this link, open a new window so we can access this link, and down here let's register for the event here too. Let's type an email address. By the way, you can also always turn this anonymous registration off. Suppose you only want to allow your users to register for an event when they are logged in. There's an option for that in settings section when you can turn that on for that feature as well. So let's send another registration. So we got the same success message here as well. So I'm gonna close this tab. Now let's see how our registration page looks. If we go to our event dashboard, we have our registration for our event. If we click on that number, so here we have our attendee list. We have our first attendee, we have our second attendee. As always, we can modify them, can edit them, send mail, and see job details as well. We can even short them from over here and search him. So if we look carefully, we have our download CSV button over here. If we click this button, it's gonna download our Excel sheet, which we can open and inside. So here we have our registration date, our registration status, our attendee name, our attendee email address. And this is how you export an attendee list or a registration list from the front end side. And now let me show you how you can do the same from the back end. Let's go to our WP admin, our event registration. We're gonna select all event registration. So here we have our event registration list. So keep in mind, this is a registration list for all the event registration we have, but from front end side we were able to see only the registration for a particular event. We can do the same over here, but we have to do an extra step over here to do that. And if we click over here, registration for all events, and if we select our meeting and click on filter, so now it shows the event registration for that particular event. How we actually export our registration list or attendee list from here, we just click this export registration button and it will download an registration .csv. We can open that with a supporting app and view our attendee or registration list from that CSV file. So the actual difference is when we are exporting our attendee list or registration list from front end is we can only export the attendee or registration list for that particular event, but from backend side we can export all the attendee list or registration list, or we can sort them via date. We can even export a single events registration list or attendee list and even sort them via dates as well. And being that said, that's pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.